Hello class! Today we're learning about the tools in our garden. This one is our trowel and we use it to dig holes. Sometimes we want to plant a new vegetable like a transplant that comes in a little pot. So when we would take out that plant from the pot to plant it, we have to make a hole for it first. So we would make a hole with this tool and then we cover up the hole around the plant. And with this tool, the cultivator, we use this to take out the roots of the weeds in our garden. So it gets trapped into these, the rake part, and you just pull it out like this, and you can cover it back up. And with the bigger tool, you could use a tool like this one for planting a tree because it's a really big tool. So you can make a much bigger hole. And sometimes we can use this big tool to prepare a garden bed. If a whole garden bed is being planted with something like sweet potatoes, we can use it to make a big mound in the middle of the garden and make a big sweet potato bed. Thank you.